In this video, I'll show you a complete roadmap to learn English by mastering all four essential skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate learner, or practicing for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE, this guide will help you build a strong English foundation and make progress every day. English consists of four main skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills work together. Think of them like a cycle. The more you listen, the better you speak. The more you read, the better you write. That's why focusing only on grammar or vocabulary is not enough. A balanced study plan develops all four skills consistently. Let's start with listening. Listening is the foundation of language learning because language enters your brain through your ears before it comes out of your mouth. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes every day. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, news channels, English conversations. Choose materials where you understand around 70 to 80%. Don't just play English in the background. Listen actively, pause and ask. What did I hear? What new words did I learn? Can I repeat these sentences? Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it. Copy the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This technique improves both listening and speaking simultaneously. You can spend 10 minutes listening to podcasts, another 10 minutes listening to YouTube lesson, another 10 minutes practicing shadowing. Just 30 minutes daily can create massive improvements. Now let's talk about speaking. Many learners understand English but struggle to speak. They spend too much time studying and not enough time speaking. Speak English every day, even if it's only for 10 minutes. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your room, your plans, your daily routine, what you are doing now. Try to say all the activities in English that you perform. Like, I'm making breakfast. After breakfast, I'll study English for an hour. Take an article or a book and read it aloud. This improves fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Use your phone and record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. Listen back and identify pronunciation mistakes, grammar errors, and hesitations. You can practice with language partners, friends, teachers, and online communities. Remember, fluency comes from speaking, not from memorizing grammar rules. Reading is one of the fastest ways to improve vocabulary and grammar naturally. You can start with content of your interest or the contents that you enjoy. You can read news articles, blogs, short stories, novels, and magazines. Many learners stop after every word. Don't do that. Focus on understanding the main ideas first. Instead of memorizing vocabulary lists, learn words inside sentence. For example, instead of learning delicious, tasty, try to learn the word in the context, like the food was absolutely delicious. Your brain remembers context better than isolated words. When you learn a new word, write it down in a notebook and read the word, its meaning for 20 minutes every day. After reading, summarize what you learned in your own words. Writing helps organize your thoughts and strengthen grammar. Perform the task of writing every day. You can write on topics like your day, your goal, your experience. Even 100 words per day can make a huge difference. So while writing, start with simple sentences. Don't try to sound advanced. Focus on clarity. So if you are writing a sentence, I went to market. Write it simple. Don't try to be advanced. Like, today I went to a local market to purchase some groceries. Both sentences carry same meaning, but you start with simple sentences. In order to get your written contents checked, you can take help of teachers, language partners, and AI tools. Then study your mistakes. You can also practice writing emails, essays, stories, social media posts, reviews. The more variety of writing contents, the better you can practice. Grammar and vocabulary support all four skills. Study grammar for understanding, not for memorization. Present tense, past tense, future tense, articles, prepositions, sentence structures, and vocabulary. Learn useful words, not random words. Focus on daily conversation, work vocabulary, academic vocabulary, common phrases. Keep in mind, native speakers communicate in phrases, not individual words. If you have 1 hour per day, try this schedule. 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes reading, another 15 minutes speaking, and 15 minutes writing. But keep in mind, consistency beats intensity. Avoid these mistakes. Waiting until your English is perfect before speaking, translating every sentence from your native language, memorizing vocabulary without context, studying only grammar, being afraid of mistakes, comparing yourself to others. Remember, progress comes from practice, not perfection. Let's recap. To improve your English, listen every day, speak every day, read every day, write every day, learn grammar and vocabulary through real uses, stay consistent. English is not learned in a day, but if you practice a little every day, your progress will surprise you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn English. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.